Good morning, guys. It's Sonia, and I've had my coffee, and now I'm getting ready to lift some pallets with Matt because we have found somebody who wants to come take these.
I'm not lifting pallets.
I know, right? To give these a home. Hopefully they show up. When you sell things on sales trades once or any sort of public marketplaces, that's the question. Will they show up? So I'll let you know how that goes. But hoping somebody can take these and, I've done pallet walls with them, rustic walls with them. I've made signs with them before. You can turn them into some great spring furniture pieces. Yeah, you can have a lot of fun with them. And sometimes I know people just love to get their hands on them to stack wood onto them and stuff. So anyhow, hopefully these will be gone today. Look at those bushes blooming so beautifully. So our project yesterday was the garage door. I'm loving how that's looking. And now I have responsibilities this morning. I have to take care of my 2 new plant babies. So I'm gonna go water those guys. And then today's project is to work on this door right over here. So I'm going to give this door right here, where my finger is, pop a color as well, a wreath, and probably a new rug.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. And one day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe
It is poly time, so the door is finishing drying. As you can tell by the beautiful sunshine out here, it's drying quickly. Now I'm going to brush this on, do 2 coats. Let's see how that looks.
he looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, and started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh.
All right, so we are done with that. It's drying. Next up, let's go grab a fabulous wreath that we are recycling for spring/summer. So this is the wreath that we were working on the other night. So this was something I got at Kirkland's 2 years ago. It's been out. It's kind of faded too if you saw it in person. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and change it up. And I have this wreath that I've had for a couple years. And it was a fall wreath, and it's really easy to change out. Like if you have a wreath around your house and you want to do something for springtime or summertime, honestly, just changing out a couple elements. And now what I'm going to do is figure out a way to secure this M. I could obviously put some glue dots on the back of it, some hot glue. I also found this black wire, and I think I'm gonna maybe make use of the wire here. I could also staple pipe cleaners on the back, but I don't have pipe cleaners right now, so I'm gonna use this. And I think if I use the black and it's behind like the ferns and all these pretties right here, I think that will work just fine. So I am going to get this ready. Okay, so I put a little strip down there, and there's a strip up behind here. Right there, I think that's good. Now, to fluff it up and to get it on the door. So, I just realized that this wreath is very thick, and it doesn't want to hang, so I am going to grab a little bit of wire and somehow make myself a little handy dandy hook on the back. Huh, kitty kitty, what do you think? Even Stanley came out to say hello. He wants to see the big grand reveal. I'm gonna have to go to Wally World next. and see what nice summery rugs, little porch mats they might have available. You guys want to come with me when I do? See what they got, what selection they have? Who knows what we'll find. Alright, I think that's good there. So I'm going to have lunch and head over there probably with Matt. Alright, let's see if this will work. I think it will. I always keep some wire and twine or something like that around. Alright, let's hide that behind. We can fluff it all up. Ooh, do you see my hook? Right here. And we are done. Another project in the books. So glad I knocked this out. Now I have a garage door, and my back door feels like I got a facelift as well. The power of paint. It's amazing what you can do, and honestly, this has really been for me a 24-hour span. I started yesterday, late day, and it is the next day afternoon, and I've gotten 2 of these projects knocked out. Proof that if you really want to do it, you can focus on it and you can get it done. Plus, I got to be out here in the sunshine. I might actually get a tan. Stay tuned, we'll see what happens with that. So I'm gonna go grab some lunch. I'll catch up with you guys back on here again tomorrow, and who knows what we'll get into. Stay tuned. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment below. Do you think this was the right color for the job? Tell me if you enjoyed watching these transformations, and I will see you guys back here again very soon. Bye.